Hi, hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with CD. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make sandwich, really delicious yummy sandwich with a slice of potato, onion and tomato with the cheese. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I will use. Here we have 2 slices of brown bread, salt and green chutney, and slice of potato and onion and tomato, and then black pepper and tomato ketchup, some oil, and also cheese, and then some butter. So first of all, I'm going to turn on gas, and then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil, now I'm going to add all the slice of potato, so that it will cook. Takes 5 minutes to cook this slice of potato. Okay. Once it gets the brown on the one side, and then we can just turn on the other side. So now it's been 4 minutes. Now I'm going to turn on the other side. As you can see, the golden brown. So we will leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. As you can see, it's a golden brown. And now I'm going to sprinkle some salt on top of it. And I will turn off the heat. I'm going to spread the butter on the bread. Now I'm going to use a green chutney. And 1 slice of bread. I'm going to use a green chutney. And in the other slice of bread, I'm going to use tomato ketchup. Spread it. Now I'm going to add these potatoes, the crispy potato. see. Yeah. Sorry. And then I'm going to use onion. Sorry. Onion. And then top of it I'm going to put tomato, like this. Now I'm going to add some more potatoes on top of it. And now I'm going to add some salt, sprinkle it on top of it. I'm going to add some pepper. And then I'm going to put cheese on top of it. Then I'm going to put this slice of bread like this. So now while the pan is hot, I'm going to put some butter. Okay, I'm going to put the bread like this. You have to let it cook until the one side under this bread is brown. And then I'm going to put a little bit more butter on top of this bread. Let me check. Is golden brown or no? Yes, it is golden brown now. So you can flip it like this. Okay, the other side is brown as well. So let's put it on the plate, and it looks like this. I'm going to cut it in half. Here it looks like this. It really looks tasty. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it and share it, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, you can see all the ingredients that I use in this recipe in description box. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.